Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to review new user registration requests and approve them. To create an account, a user needs to fill the registration form with personal information. Then, the registration has to be approved by an administrator. An administrator can approve or decline registration requests, either in the notification bar or in user profiles in the main menu. Now navigate to Registration Requests. Opposed to the Notification tab, in the Registration Requests, an administrator has a complete overview of all pending requests. Select one or more users and choose the action from this drop-down menu. A newly registered user will receive a confirmation email to the email address specified during the registration process. Declined users will also receive an email. However, you can disable both of the email notifications in the Notification tab of the system settings. The email body and subject can be easily modified as well. Just click on the Edit, Modify Email Template, and when finished, save the changes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.